Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Dell stays powered. Plug it in so a shutdown doesn't interrupt the process. Next, check your Windows version with WinVer or settings so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, save open files because we'll restart the machine. Restarting exits many temporary safe mode states. Now press Windows key, type msconfig, and open System Configuration. This is the Control Hub. Make sure the Boot tab is selected so you can change the safe boot options safely. You're now inside System Configuration where the how and why matter. Safe boot forces minimal drivers, so to return to normal operation you must clear that flag. On the Boot tab, confirm any safe boot checkbox is unchecked. This removes the forced safe mode parameter. Then switch to the General tab and select Normal Startup to reload standard services and drivers. Apply the change and click OK. Windows will ask to restart. Restarting commits the change, restoring normal driver loading and network functionality. You finish by restarting the Dell to make the configuration change take effect. This is the decisive step. If Windows boots normally, check Device Manager for any driver warnings and update as needed. That explains why safe mode appeared. If the system still opens in safe mode, repeat msconfig to ensure the checkbox stayed unchecked, or use Settings Recovery Advanced Startup to choose a normal boot. As a troubleshooting tip, run Dell Support Assist or roll back recent drivers if normal boot fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.